The reverse vending machine, promoted by the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, is an innovative solution for recycling plastic bottles. It helps reduce plastic waste and promotes environmental cleanliness. The machine allows users to deposit empty plastic bottles in exchange for rewards like cash, coupons, or points, encouraging people to recycle rather than dispose of bottles improperly. After the bottle is inserted, the machine automatically crushes and stores it for future recycling. The main benefits of the reverse vending machine include promoting recycling, reducing waste, and preventing plastic pollution. It ensures efficient collection of recyclable materials, eliminates manual sorting, and prevents littering in public spaces.